Hello. What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be changing spark plug cables on this 2022 Street Bop 114. Okay, so we already have purchased these. It's very simple. You have the two that are short and two that are long. And I'm just going to go in. So I'm just going to do one cable at a time. So right about here, I will take this out, pull it out of the spark plug holder. Okay, come on. Oh wow, that is tight in there. Okay, one. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this end is gonna go right here. Okay, and we're gonna put this guy in there. Okay, yeah, she's in. I pull this guy out. Okay, here. And push this guy in. Okay, good. Okay, now we're gonna go the second short one here, and I think we have to take these plastic covers off because they do supply the new ones. Okay, that one. Okay, okay, come on. Okay, here. And we're gonna put this guy in.
I fixed the thread on this one.
Okay, and then I'm gonna pull this guy out and push this spark plug back in. Okay, this one's good. So now we're gonna go with the two long ones. Okay, we got the two long ones, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push this guy out. Okay, feed it right through underneath the engine. Okay, push this guy in, and you guys can see this opening. It's got to go right in here like this. Okay, all the way in, right through, underneath. Okay. Just gonna go on the other side. Okay, here. Come on, you can do it. Okay, here. This one's out. And we're gonna push this guy back in. Okay, that one's in, and last one. So basically you got it right here. We're going to take this one out here in a second. That one is on top of the wire, and so is this guy. This is where we want it, and I'm just going to go and do this guy right now. Okay. Oh, they're in there tight, but we can do it. Here we go, right underneath. Okay, maybe it's going to be easier pulling it out this way. Okay, get out that way. Okay, come on. Okay, actually it was easier. Take it this way, and that's what we're gonna do. All right, push this cable through here. Okay, spark plug in. Okay, right there. Okay, this is good. And we're gonna go on the other side. Right here. This is where the spark plug cable is. Plug her into the coils. Okay, there we go. Okay, they supply us with this. Okay, come on, one here. And one there. Okay. Okay, this looks good. That one here and here. Okay, so this is it. This was a actually very quick little jobby. How to put these spark plug wires on this 2022 Street Bob 114. And if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a like. And then thank you very much. And oh yeah, and hit the bell. That's right. Thanks, Mark. And hit the bell. Thank you.